Hi guys, postman's bin. Should be a new battery for the GoPro, which is just as well, because the battery in here appears to have stopped taking charge. That's showing 3% at the moment, and it's been on charge all morning. So there's something either wrong with the charging circuit or the battery. Come on, you're supposed to be going out. Yeah. So it's just as well I decided to get a new battery. The one in there I think says 2018 on it. Which is probably the age of the camera. I think that's in focus. 2018, 1029. Should have a charger in here as well. With a bit of luck. So, replacement battery. Supposedly a genuine GoPro battery. Huh. 2017 on it, so it's an even older battery. It's supposed to be brand new and unused. Oh well. We'll see. See if it actually works. Wonder if it's got any charge in it at all. No, doesn't appear to have any charge in it at all. Okay. So the new one says 2017 and the old one 2018. We will put it on charge and see what happens. Right, both batteries have been on charge. That one, the new one, has just gone blue. It was red, and I was about to film it and say 4 hours, and it still isn't charged. And literally, as I got the camera out, it went blue. That one went blue, which is the old battery, the one that came with the camera. That one took about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to charge up. And I thought that one wasn't going to do it, but it has literally just as I got the camera out. So I'll put them in the phone, put them in the camera and see what they say. Right, I'm deliberately filming in semi-darkness so we can actually see the screen. So this is the original battery. That says 84% charged. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. So yeah, 84% charged. And this is the one that's arrived in the post this morning. And that one says 78% charged. So that's not terribly convincing, is it? Although it's better than nothing. The question is, how long will it actually run for before it's flat again? On, focus. Yeah. Yeah, not terribly convincing. But at least we were able to charge that one up. Why haven't you switched off? I don't like the buttons on these GoPros, or on this GoPro. Yeah, I'll run them and see how long they last for. I'll put a note in the video description or something later. I just put them both back in the charger and they're both showing blue again. That one flickered red for a few seconds. That was the new one. But they're back to showing fully charged. But as we saw, that's about 80% roughly. That's the new battery in there. I left the camera switched on and it ran down to about 33% in about 2 hours or so. Not actually filming, just switched on, so the Wi-Fi would be operating and the screen operating. So it dropped from whatever it was, 78 down to 33 in about 2 hours. And I'm now charging it directly and it is charging up, which the other battery wouldn't do this morning. It may be just that it'd gone so far down that the charger couldn't put any more power into it. But certainly at the moment, that one is taking charge. So that's good. Well, there we are, another hour later, and we're up to a full 100%. Looking good. Well, there we go, just for the record. That's the old battery up to 100% as well. Excellent. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.